The world of product design has just been redefined. Introducing the all-new Ansys Discovery. Simulation specifically built to be leveraged earlier in the development process to drive productivity, spur innovation, and increase product quality. Test multiple design ideas quickly using real-time simulation, making changes and instantly see results. Or refine the most promising ones using high-fidelity simulation for increased confidence and product insight. Perhaps best of all, Ansys Discovery is one experience, one environment, providing seamless access to the best of what Ansys has to offer. Let's take a look at a couple of examples. In this first use case, we have a few different design variations of control arms. And after applying our support and loading conditions to our first design, we instantly see results, providing data around a max displacement value too stiff for our criteria. If you're working with another CAD package, easily update your simulation with a new design. We see the max displacement has dramatically improved. Once you feel comfortable with the design direction, hop over to our Analyze stage and leverage our Ansys flagship solvers, controlling the local fidelity of your mesh. If at any point you need additional guidance, turn on the Overlay Help system that provides interactive, in-context information about everything Discovery has to offer. We'll move to a fluid flow study where you'll see the same power and ease of use. My goal is to have a uniform flow at the outlet. After I designate the inlets and outlets, results immediately appear. Discovery makes certain assumptions for you such as flow rates, so you can quickly see the results and trends. The value of introducing simulation upfront in the development process helps users explore design scenarios, reaching their goals quicker. Here I can obviously see a large recirculation zone forming within my design, which will lead to increased pressure loss. Leveraging Ansys Discovery's geometry engine, we can utilize common CAD tools to ideate on the design by introducing veins in the chamber and instantly see what effect that has on the flow. I can quickly change the position of each vein to better equalize the flow, and now as I have new ideas, I can test them in real time. Only in Discovery is it possible to evaluate ideas from within a live simulation environment. Lastly, easily validate your observations in our Analyze mode, giving you the control of a refined mesh, and leveraging the trusted Ansys flagship solvers from Fluent and Mechanical. If at any point I need to study more complex physical behaviors, I can easily export my model including boundary conditions, materials, and meshing to Ansys flagship applications such as Fluent and Mechanical. Let's look at a thermal study where I'm working with an electronics enclosure. We have a control board and multiple heat sources. My goal here is to perform a basic simulation of temperature on the control board. After applying a heat flow of 30 watts to the large body and setting up a max temperature monitor, Discovery quickly displays a temperature and capturing it on a plot. You'll see I'm sitting around 60 degrees Celsius on the top face. Under my inputs, I'll change the air convection to something more representative of natural convection instead of forced convection, and you'll notice the temperature increases quickly. Adding a heatsink instantly drops the temperature, but I still have room to improve. I can leverage the Granted Materials database to explore the effect of different material options. As you saw before, modifying geometry is no issue at all, regardless of the model's origination. It's simple to drag faces to remove interference within the housing, all while monitoring the temperature changes as I do it. Finally, why not use generative design in the conceptual phase, instead of only for lightweighting towards the end of product development? What's most impressive is the speed of optimization, allowing multiple iterations to be run in seconds, providing powerful guidance and insights early in the design process when it matters the most. There's much more to Ansys Discovery than just what you saw. Integrated geometry, rapid multi-physics simulations, industry-leading accuracy, and an easy-to-use user experience sets Discovery apart from any other application. This is the promise of design exploration made simple, because every engineer deserves the power of discovery.